In our calculation sheet, we're going to do the following. Here I'm going to select the month of the dashboard. Then here I'm going to select selected month, selected here. Okay, gonna put some line here. I'm going to the dashboard and I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, selected period is basically date of this year, this month, the first day. Okay, so here we are, and this is basically this financial period dates. Okay, increase this. This is our part. Okay, then we're going to evaluate. Okay, current year period. Gonna make insert here from to and year end. Okay, from current year period is basically, this one is basically date of the beginning of the year. So the year is this, then first month, first day. Then to, I'm going to evaluate end of the month of this one. How many months? This one, same format. Sorry, this one is this one and 0. Okay, so here we are, this one. Okay, perfect. Year end is basically end of the month of this date, 12 minus this one again. So this is the end. Here we are. For the previous year, this one is equal to date of this one minus 1, 1, 1, semicolon here. And this one is again end of the month, this one minus 12. And the end of the year, we have the same, but we are going to remove 12. Oh, here we are. We created this financial period that we're going to use for our formula. Okay,